Surah Al Layl, the night. The surah is Meccan, containing one section and 21 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والليل إذا يغشى.
By the night when it covers.
والنهار إذا تجلى.
And by the day when it shines.
وما خلق الذكر والأنثى.
And by the one who created the male and the female.
إن سعيكم لشتى.
Certainly your endeavor is of different types.
فأما من أعطى واتقى.
So as for he who is charitable, godly,
وصدق بالحسنى.
and affirmed the best way, i.e. Islam,
فسنيسره لليسرى.
so soon we shall grant him ease.
وأما من بخل واستغنى.
And as for the one who was miserly, unconcerned,
وكذب بالحسنى.
and denied the best way,
فسنيسره للعسرى.
soon we shall give him hardship.
وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى.
And his wealth will not avail him when he falls into destruction, hell.
إن علينا للهدى.
Indeed, to grant guidance is for us.
وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى.
And indeed, the hereafter and this world belong to us.
فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى.
So I have warned you about the fire which is raging.
لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى.
None will enter it except the most unfortunate,
الذي كذب وتولى.
who denied and turned away.
وسيجنبها الأتقى.
And soon the most pious will be kept away from it,
الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى.
he who gives his wealth to attain purity.
وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى.
And there is no favor of anyone upon him for which recompense is given,
إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى.
rather it is purely to seek divine acceptance from his Lord, the Most High.
ولسوف يرضى.
And it is near that he will certainly be pleased.